Hi, I'm Carl Johnson with G&D North America, and we're here at our KVM Essential Station. We're using our Vision XS KVM over IP system, and we have a working station here that has 3 desktop monitors and 2 overhead monitors that are a lot like a video wall in a working space that a KVM may be used in. So a KVM system is driven by an on-screen display. You can go over to any display with a console unit and select from an on-screen display different sources that you want to control. I can switch sources, control them, pick a new one, interact with the content, and so forth. Now, one of the key features that we add to the KVM system with G&D, it's configurable on every output, is called TradeSwitch and cross-display switching. So what we have set up is a coordinate system at this working station where I can move my mouse into different screens. Just moving my mouse, I can access the on-screen display, and I can move around between different screens to select different material, right? I also have the opportunity to take snapshots of a working configuration and then recall it later. I might want to make scripts to recall a working arrangement on the workplace for different times of day. I've selected an AM layout, now I'm selecting a PM layout. There may be many different working situations you want to create a quick preset to recall on your KVM system. I can also quickly, aside from moving my mouse around, I can quickly select a monitor to move to, and you'll see that yellow bar around the border around the outside edge. That cross-display switching TradeSwitch border can be programmable to be different colors, to persist, to be different thicknesses, and so it's configurable for many different applications. We also have a very powerful feature called Push Get, which is quickly available from the on-screen display, where I can take content from one server on one screen, and I'm going to push it up to a screen up above on the upper right, and I pushed it, that could be to a video wall, or it could be to a teammate to collaborate. I could also get content from another display. Up above here I have this display. I'm going to do the get action and pull that from the CDS upper left. So you'll see I quickly have access to the servers using an on-screen display, using scripts, or the push get function. We also have a very advanced feature that many customers in mission critical environments want, which is called freeze. And what freeze does is it holds the last video frame if the signal from the original source computer or along the signal path is lost, we'll freeze that and hold it. So I'm going to set that up here right now. We're looking at the input from this laptop that we're controlling over a USB connection. I'm going to disconnect that, so that signal is no longer delivered to the KVM system, and here we see that a high contrast border has been presented, as well as a counter. So if we have maps or visualizations, and with things in motion, the user can extrapolate based on the time and what's happening. And you'll notice when I connect the signal back in, the video returns. So you'll notice that the KVM system here, the G&D KVM over IP system, is very quick and efficient to use. It's intended to, the operator doesn't even know that their computers and servers are located far away in an equipment rack, and there's many tools to automate the operation and make it easy to manage your workflow. So, for more information, please go to gdsys.com. Thank you.